Hello everyone, myself Shobit from Rohtak, Haryana. Currently, I am pursuing BCom Honors from Shriram College of Commerce and also Chartered Accountancy course. First of all, I am very happy because today I completed my this 2-month internship with inSAKE Solution as an investment banking intern. Basically, this video is about my feedback from this internship. I am very grateful to Mr. Shetty sir who think me of capable to work with them and given me opportunity to work with this inSAKE solution. First of all, I'll tell you I completed 3 projects in this internship, which is about fundamental and technical analysis of 10 stock, financial modeling of 5 companies, and private equity report, venture capitalist report, and merger and acquisition report of 8 companies. In this internship, I get to know about various skills which I never get before, such as financial modeling, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and preparation of equity research report, merger and acquisition report, investment banking, and many more. Before this internship, I had very few skills which are not enough to get a good placement. But now today I have lot of skills which are, I think, sufficient to get a good placement. And after completion of this internship, I am very much confident about interview in big companies. After completion of this internship, I can tell you that this internship is more than money, which are better than many paid internships which are available in the market. And today I am very confident my interview in for campus placement, and this was possible because only of Safety and inSAKE solution. So in last, I'm very grateful to inSAKE solution and Mr. Shetty sir for making me a good finance candidate. Thank you, inSAKE solution and Mr. Shetty sir.